Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2017 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray Coupe Z51 3LT in Corvette Racing yellow tint coat on black leather interior. So we'll just start over at the rear of the vehicle, let you have a look. So this one does have the color matched top. It is removable, as you can see. It fits nicely here in the trunk. It does fold up like so, so we can undo the two side pieces, and it's got some nice storage area underneath. We do have the cargo net to hold your items in place, and then down in the corner we do have storage as well. There is the privacy shield in here, so that piece can go on to keep your items private that are in the trunk. It just goes here in the front section, and then there's the second piece here on the window as well. So we'll lock that in place. We'll close the trunk lid. It does have soft close, so I just simply press and it pulls itself shut. We've got the nice carbon flash metallic rear spoiler, Z51 spoiler. We've got carbon flash metallic LED tail light surrounds, carbon flash badge package, and we've got the NPP performance exhaust. So there's quad ports there, and the two outer ones have dampers on them that open and close electronically based on your setting to make the exhaust louder or quieter. So here's your rear wheel. We've got the nice Z51 black wheels. We've got yellow painted calipers, heavy duty brakes, and nice Michelin tires. Here's the vent on the rear, which is done in carbon flash metallic, which accents nicely. And here's the passenger door card. So it's got nice baseball stitching. We've got the 10 speaker Bose stereo. We've got power windows, power locks, and electronic door release. Here's the kick plate on the passenger side. It's in good condition, as you can see. And here's our power seat controls. You got power fore, aft, up, down, power recline, lumbar, and side bolster adjustments. And I'll just go ahead and scan up the seat so you can see the condition. Looks good. And as I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and clean. We'll have a look here in the glove box. So we do have the books, those are there. We've got the nice baseball stitching on the lower portion of the dash as well as on the upper. And with the 3LT, you also get the Alcantara suede along here. And then we've got heated and cooled seat control. We also have passenger temperature display and passenger temperature control. So we'll hop out, we'll close this side up, and I'll just step to the back of the vehicle and we'll scan along this side of the car so you can see the condition. Looks good. We've got the nice carbon flash metallic mirrors. There's the carbon badge and carbon flash insert there for the vent. And here's your front wheel. So you've got nice black Z51 wheels, heavy duty brakes, yellow calipers, and Michelin tires on there. So under the hood, we've got the V8 6.2 liter motor, which is 460 horsepower, and that's paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission. As you can see, it's nice and tidy. With the Z51, we do get the dry sump oil, which is here in the corner. You also get the upgraded suspension, the heavy duty brakes, the rear diff cooler, the rear transmission cooler as well. We've got the nice upgraded Stingray engine cover blanket here as well. And we'll go ahead, we'll close that. We've got nice exposed carbon fiber insert on the hood. Looks great. And at the front, we've got the nice black housing, projector HID headlights with LED daytime running lights and LED turn signals. We've got our curb view cameras, so there's one there and one over here. We'll just have a look at the condition of the front end. So I'll just take a look here, see what I see. There's one little pin size mark here. That might come out. We haven't polished the car yet. And just taking a close look to see if I can see any stone chips or anything. I don't see anything there. Very clean car. So we'll just move around. Here's the other front wheel. So again, nice Z51 wheels, heavy duty brakes, yellow calipers, Michelin tires, and same thing back here. Awesome. So we'll move on to the driver's side door. So again, 10 speaker Bose stereo, power windows, power locks. We've got 2 user memory and a programmable exit button. And we've got the electronic door release. Nice baseball stitching along the door, looks great. And here's your Stingray kick plate. It's in good shape, as you can see. And here's our power seat. So we've got power fore, aft, up, down, power recline, power lumbar, and side bolster adjustments. And I'll just go ahead and scan up the seat so you can see the condition. Looks good. So as I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and clean. And let's get in and fire this one up. 175, nice and low, no warning lights or issues there on the dash. Over here we've got our cruise control buttons. Down below we've got track change or favorites. On this side we've got our volume controls, and then up here we've got our arrow keys. The arrow keys work the dash, gives us info, performance, audio, phone, nav, and options. Above that we've got telephone hang up, telephone answer. We've got paddle shifters plus, we've got paddle shifter minus on this side. Over here we've got our power mirrors, we've got our heads up display control, then we've got our power tilt and telescopic steering wheel. Down below we've got trunk release, and we've got motion alarm on and off. Over on this side we've got push button start, we've got behind screen storage with USB, and full factory navigation as you saw on the screen. We've got performance data recorder, and we'll go back. We've got audio, so you got AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth streaming, USB, and auxiliary line in. And then we'll go over to this side, cameras. So there's your front curb view cameras. There's your reverse camera. And down here we've got climate control. So there's the temperature, and as you see it displays on the screen. There's your passenger temperature on that side, which is controlled over there. And then down below I've got my heated and cooled seat for the passenger. There's the nameplate. So this was a custom nameplate for an order, which is super cool. And then we've got our 8-speed automatic shifter with leather wrap boot, baseball stitching, and we've got our mode selector. So when we twist the mode selector, we get the settings. So we get touring, sport, track, weather, eco, or back to touring. So that's done by controlling that. And then you have traction control off in the center. You've got your electronic parking brake. And then in here, we've got 2 USB ports, auxiliary line in, 12-volt socket. So now we'll just hop out with the running. We'll have a look and a listen. Nice part to it. Sounds great. So I'll just show you from the front. There it is from the front with the lights on, and we'll just move along the side so you can see the condition. Looks good. There it is from the back, nice rumble. And there you have it, folks. 2017 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray Coupe Z51 3LT here and available at MonroeMotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.